So we are here to solve the LeetCode problem of 2356. The heading of the question is the number of unique subjects taught by each teacher. So what is given? So we have given that there is a teacher table in which there are three columns. The name of the columns are teacher ID, subject ID and department ID. All the three columns have the same data type, that is integer. Okay, so we have to write a solution to calculate the number of unique subjects each teacher teaches in the university. Okay, so we will see the example. Example is given that there are three columns: teacher ID, subject ID and department ID, and we have given some values here. Okay, so the teacher ID of 1 teaches two subjects, that is 2 and 3, that are the unique subjects. Okay, the means subject number 2 and subject number 3 is a unique subjects. So in output we can see that teacher ID with 1 teaches 2 subjects. Okay, and teacher ID with 2 teaches 4 subjects, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's why in output we can see that teacher ID with 2 has count of 4. Okay, so we will start writing the solution. I will give the solution in SQL language. Okay, and so the first we have to give the teacher ID. Okay, so select teacher ID. Second is count. So we have to count the number of subjects, okay, unique subjects. So we will use the aggregate function of count, that is count unit, means distinct subject ID. Okay, so we have to rename it as a CNT, and from which table? From teacher table. And as we are using the aggregate function of count, we should have to use group by. So we are grouping the columns by teacher ID. Okay. Now I will check whether it is running or not. Yeah, it is running perfectly fine. Now I will submit the question so that you can check that it is running in for other test cases or not. Yes, it is perfectly passed all 14 test cases. So okay, thank you guys. This is my video for solution of the problem 2356. Thank you very much.